So this is a unit I picked up from Amazon for $100. As you guys can see, I got 99 problem with it. Let me stop. But anyway, y'all see it's 9999. Okay, so I'll leave the link in the description section below. So once I placed my order, it took 3 days to come. Mind you, this video is not sponsored by them. They don't know who I am. I don't know who they are. I just ran across them on Amazon, read the reviews, and I'm like, okay, we're gonna use this wig for my color video. Okay. So this is what the wig looks like. This is the natural color. As you guys can see, it looks nice, soft, and bouncy, which it is. It didn't have any type of smell. The lace is transparent, so you are going to have to tint it. This is the full construction of the lace. She's 22 inches. It's 13 by 4, and it's said to be 150%, but it's given 130 pretty much. But anyway, y'all, the lace does come pre-plucked. This is why I'm hot combing it so you guys can see what she is given. And she is flawless, okay? But I am doing this because I am going to go in and do a little bit of plucking on my own. This clip here, baby, I did that, okay? Now we're going into bleach the hair. I'm using my Express 9 and my developer in 40. So I'm a little dusty. I haven't colored hair or bleached hair in about 2-3 years. So, well, no, because I did a green one last year. Or whatever, y'all. It's been a minute, so I'm rusty. So don't come for me of how I'm holding that brush. But anyway, I don't have like proper measurements on how to, you know, get the mixture I did. Just make sure it's like a pancake consistency and you will be good to go. So you want to make sure to saturate that hair all over. Make sure you're getting the ins and outs, backs, all of that, okay? Get that hair, okay? And I'm using a foil to help process it too. So be mindful when using the foil, plus that 40 developer is going to process hecka quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm taking 2 tracks out and I'm gonna pin that up, and then I'm gonna take 2 more tracks out and we're gonna bleach it. So this is the method that I use to, you know, bleach the hair. And basically I wanted to do like a reverse highlight type of video where the black hair that I don't bleach serves as the highlights. Hopefully that makes sense, because it might not, y'all. Y'all probably say, what are you talking about? But hopefully me showing you guys as well will, you know, help out a little bit. So I am all done, but as you guys can see, the back, it needs to be rinsed out ASAP. So I'm gonna go rinse that out. Once I rinsed it out, I did go back in and add the remaining bleach to the knots, because we do want those knots bleached, because sis, we don't want no black dots. So I let that sit for about 5 minutes and rinse everything out. This is what the hair looks like once I rinse everything out. I think I let everything sit in for about 30 minutes, because like I said, it processed super duper fast. So I'm just adding conditioner to this unit, and I'm gonna leave this in for about 4 to 5 hours. So this is what the hair looks like, y'all. This hair took that bleach well. Look at the bounce. Look at the shine. Okay, and the only thing I put in it was conditioner. Okay, she is not hurt. So I had to run to Sally's to get my wipes to wipe the color off my skin or the hair if it gets where it's not supposed to be. I got some bowls to put my hair dye in. I did get some more hair dyeing brushes, a smaller one to get the roots. I did get my hair dye, the hot pink, and also the electric pink pussycat. And I did get some gloves, because you know we need some gloves to dye the hair. So basically I'm just using the 2 colors, the hot pink and the electric pink, and I'm just rotating. So every other section I'm just using every other color. So we're starting with hot pink. Is this hot pink or electric pink? I don't know, y'all. No, that's hot pink. So the first one was the electric pink. So just every other section is just every other color. That's all. And I wouldn't recommend you to fold up the hair to put this on. Just use another piece of foil and keep the hair straight and then fold it up, because I found out that the hair was getting a little tangly when I went to take that out. So don't do that. Don't do the fold up method where I keep it on that one sheet. Just add extra foil like I was doing when I was bleaching the hair. And like I said, that little brush is for you to get the roots. Flip that over and make sure you're covering everything with that hair color, because if you don't, you're gonna have brown and gold highlights all up in there, and that's not gonna be cute. It's gonna be ugly. Okay. So after I rinse it out, I go in with the after color sealer so the color won't bleed all over the place. So that is my little tip and trick. So this is what it looks like rinsed out. I let this sit overnight, and I'm gonna add a little bit of some serum to the hair to blow dry it, because like I said, I don't want the waves in the hair. So we're gonna take our Revlon brush and just blow dry this bad boy out. So now I'm just going in with this flat iron I found off of Amazon, y'all. And I read the comments and people said it's like a dupe for the EAP flat iron, and I be want that EAP one, but I'm like, let me just try this one out. And y'all, this is my favorite flat iron. This thing gets super hot, and baby, when I say one pass only, that's all it takes for me to go through this hair. One freaking pass, y'all. So I switched to my iPhone camera so you guys can see the color of the wig, because my camera, the one I film on, is not picking it up. So my iPhone camera shows the colors perfectly. This is so beautiful. So this is what my camera gives, and it just looks red. But y'all, look at that bounce. Look at that shine. This hair is super healthy. So I was going to do a different style, so I'm taking some hot rollers and just rolling up the ends, because I was just going to keep the wig straight, but I last minute changed my mind. So I'm going to go ahead and take these rollers out, because like I said, I'm changing the hairstyle last minute. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and tint the lace off camera too, because what? So this is what it looks like tinted. So we're going to go ahead and trim her on up. I'm going to take my eyebrow razor today and just, you know, cut off that lace that we're not using. And then I have to take the scissors to trim around the ears, because it's not going to look right. So I'm just going to go in with my Evans lace tint spray. Y'all know I love this one. This is my favorite one for the summer. So I'm just going to place 1 to 2 to 3 layers on there, and I'm just going to use my finger to press it back into my hairline. I'm using my blow dryer on a cool heating setting, and I'm just going to touch it to make sure it's tacky. Once it's tacky, we're going to go ahead and pull that bad boy down, and we're just going to layer into the section of lace spray that I put it on. Now underneath my head is just my raggedy cornrows. I have 8 in total, and I just use the mesh caps. I don't do the ball cap method. So I see that some of my lace is still lifting up. I actually could have trimmed it up because it was actually too long and too close to that eyebrow. But I just decided to go over it and just spray out a little bit of my my lace spray on it and push it down with the comb. So I'm taking some more of my tinting spray and spraying it on this brush, and we're going to tap that on the outside of the lace because she's looking like a wig. So I want everything to melt and look nice and, you know, melt it into that forehead. I'm going to add my elastic band on there as well and let it sit for about 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and take this down, and baby, she look good, y'all. Y'all cannot tell me that's not a transparent lace. Like, I made that thing look like it was HD. Period. That's what you want to do. And I have to give credit to that lace tint and spray by Kiss, because ever since I've had that product, y'all, it just made my installs freaking fire. Okay, fire. Off camera, I did my baby hairs. I did the part. I'm just going in with my hot comb to make sure everything in that middle section is nice, neat, and flat. And this is giving like a silk press blowout. Well, not blowout because it's not blowout, but it's like silk pressed. So I ended up changing the style and wanting to put a little bit of layers in there and curl it up. I actually liked it better this way, so I should just left it and called it a day. But y'all know sometimes I just be extra at the last minute. So that's what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm just gonna put some curls in it, and I'll leave the name of the curling iron down there as well. But I love this curling iron, y'all. But this is pretty much going to be at the end of the video, y'all. Like I said, this hair is A1. Like I said, if it wasn't for the density being a little bit natural, y'all know I'm used to the thick hair, all that stuff. this would have got a 10 out of 10. It holds a curl. It can take bleach. Y'all, this unit is the one. And for $100, baby, yes. I hope you guys enjoyed. Add into my next one. Your girl will see ya later. Bye, guys.